Desaru. Let's roll. While enjoying your... You want to say something? Exhaust? It's always damn bloody loud. Yeah. Hey, morning everyone. Today we'll be riding to Desaru. Desaru is a place within Malaysia. It's about 90 kilometers from where I stay. In case you're wondering, we are in Singapore. Okay, so the time now is about 6:27. And today is a Saturday, so we woke up really early in the morning to go for a morning ride. Super hyped out. Let's roll. Yeah. So it's not going to be a solo ride. So we're going to meet one of my friend. Then from there we'll be going through Woodlands Customs, and then we can ride to Desaru. It's really going to be a fun trip today. So every Saturday or Sunday, every weekend, right, I want to do a series where, I will bring you to different places in Malaysia so you guys can explore, while enjoying your home comfort, right? You don't need to go there physically. And the good part is, whenever I wake up early morning to go to work, always feel sleep deprived and super exhausted, but for some reason when it comes to riding, I feel super energetic and hyped out. It's gonna be an exciting ride. Alright, let's roll. Since it's a weekend and early morning, there isn't a lot of cars on the road, which is good. So from the place I stay and the Woodlands checkpoint is super nearby. It's roughly about less than 15 kilometers. Hopefully you can see Mr. Gokuns. Oh yeah, he's there already. Mr. Gokuns is here. Oh man, I thought I'm the earliest, but never mind. Hello Mr. Gokuns. Why are you looking so grumpy today? Why are you looking so grumpy? You want to say something to the mic?
Fuck you.
Come on.
Fuck you.
Oh, okay.
Fuck you, shuk.
Crazy guy. Okay, Mr. Gokunyong's exhaust is always damn bloody loud. But it's legally approved lah. I mean, it's LTA approved. but despite that, just create a nuisance in the morning. So like I said, the Desaru trip is the Desaru destination is about 90 kilometers away from Singapore. I mean, it will be a perfect spot if you're going to be if you're a new rider and want to explore Malaysia. Any classes of bike is just sufficient for you to ride there. Now again, it's not about the speed, it's about enjoying the scenic view and getting the experience. So yeah, so we can take it chill. So we are heading towards the highway. We're going to take KJE and BKE. Please don't ask the full form, I'm also not sure. Okay, so the entrance to KJE is very nearby. I mean, it's literally the upcoming junction. Yeah, we have to keep left. The clouds looks really nice. Not sure whether it's the Insta360 able to pick up the low light, but it just looks amazing. So yeah, we're entering BKE now. End of the BKE is the checkpoint, Singapore side of checkpoint for to enter Malaysia. Since it's the school holiday period, the traffic here, traffic to Malaysia is just insane. Apparently everybody wants to go to Malaysia, including us. The sound is just amazing. I think Mr. Gokun's want to show off his WeTech. Yoshimura pipe, yeah. For some reason, the car behind me is getting too close. Let me accelerate and move off. Yeah. Okay, now it's a safe distance. Oh man, the queue for the car starts from 1 kilometer away from the checkpoint. The last guy who's probably joining the queue, good luck to him. I think he will be reaching the Malaysia in the afternoon. And as you can see, right, the people gets impatient and they will just like move out from the line, and it's super dangerous for motorcycles. So it's better if we can keep the third lane. And when you want to go to Malaysia during school holidays in a weekend, you know what you're signing up for. So better queue up and don't cut the queue, and don't be like the guy who don't want to move out in the middle of the thing. It's dangerous for everybody. Yeah. Oh man, the jam just looks insane. Oh god, thank god we got a motorcycle. And you can see tons of hey, there's a big lorry and this car not supposed to be here, because as you can see in front, right, this is supposed to be the bike lane. I don't know what this guy is up to, but never mind. Probably a new guy, maybe going to the Malaysia for the first time, so that's why he's confused. But yeah, so in case you're wondering, this lane is exclusively made for motorcycles. So as you pass by, you can wave at them. Okay lah, I'm grateful that the motorcycle is empty lah. Lane is empty. Cannot show off too much, then later, you know, it will be crowded for motorcycle also. I really wish that they can do something about the jam, but it's just getting horrible these days, you know, like 3 hours in car. That's insane. I mean, must well go to another destination, right? Fly to another destination. Oh shit. Looks like all the cyclists wants to go to Malaysia. That's a good thing. So Singapore road users can maybe enjoy a bit more. They won't be facing cyclist problem. Oh man, it's just insane. So probably you might be wondering why in the earth, you know, we leave so early, right? It's partly due to the reason, you know, if you're going in a bit late, and that's it, it'll start to get crowded. I'm just worried how things would be in the Malaysia, and yeah. So I'm just worried that it's going to be horrible. Anyways guys, I can't record much. I'll be stopping recording from here. Wondering, sorry I couldn't able to record inside because it's a protected area, and we have just cleared our customs, now heading towards the Malaysian side of border. It's just an automated clearance system where you just need to scan your passport, and you know, you need to put your thumb impression. Partly that's the reason why I'm not wearing the gloves yet. That's too much work. Need to wear the gloves, remove it, wear and remove it. So must well just clear the, you know, customs, then you can start wearing it. So like I said, right, I mean, we are very lucky and fortunate because usually the crowd for motorcycle in the morning, it's still okay. I mean, you still can reach on time. So a lot of Singaporeans like to do a morning ride instead of going in the late morning. And if you're going in the late morning, yeah, then you need to know what you sign up for, because it will be messed up and the queue would be insane. I mean, at least when you are in the car, you could enjoy the aircon, probably listening to music, or you can even watch some shows or something using your phone. But if you're going in motorcycle, cigarette fumes and exhaust fumes. And as you can see there, right in front we have a cyclist. So therefore, you know, she's slowing down the entire traffic. But yeah, we have to share with we have to share the road with other users, right? So yeah, you have to bear with it, I guess. I mean, come on, even in the border, the reason why we go Malaysia is to enjoy, and they still come there to horn us. I got nothing against cyclists lah, just saying. I mean, in Singapore already cycling is very dangerous. You want to cycle in Malaysia, yeah, okay lah, good luck lah. Yeah, things shouldn't interrupt other people lah. I mean, I can understand her side as well. She have no other place to go to. There's just one narrow lane. But then it's not advisable to cycle in Malaysia. It's too dangerous. Even for motorcyclists, for us it's dangerous. But cycling down there, because the car and bikes go in much higher speeds compared to in Singapore. But anyway, if she's willing to take the risk, it's her. It's much cooling now. Mr. Gokuns is right in front. Let's try to catch him. Oh man, the suspension hurts. So as you can see, for car, there is a jam outside the Woodlands checkpoint, and there's jam after Woodlands checkpoint. So based on the looks, seems like the last guy who joined the queue just now would take about 3 hours most probably to clear. Okay, just need to stop recording. Malaysia side of border, and officially we are into Malaysia already. So sorry guys, I couldn't able to show you the clearance process because again it's a protected area, so better don't get into trouble. Yeah. Anyway, first order of business, we are low on fuel, so there is Shell nearby. And if you are new to Malaysia, take note of this Shell because it's the famous one called B Point, just ahead of the B Point. So this is where many people would be pumping up before their long rides. And I believe Mr. Gokuns has already cleared. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Okay, that's surprising to see. Let's go. Oh, okay, I'll go Shell first, huh? Just throw a rev bomb down there. The land of freedom. I don't know, every time when I come to Malaysia I start smiling automatically. I mean, if you look at my face, I will be, you know, keeping that smile posture all the way. It's so nice to be in Malaysia. Okay, so like I said, you know, just now on your way to the Johor town, that you can, I mean, I don't know whether we have seen earlier on, but there's 2 roads will be splitting. But if you keep towards your right hand side, then you will come into this particular stretch. So first you can see Petronas, then followed by is the Shell. Okay, unlike Singapore where you pump first then you go pay, here you have to pay first. I find that annoying lah, but it's understandable. So let's park.